Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the incredible diversity of India? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the top 10 must-visit places in India for 2024. From the historical marvels to the serene landscapes, India has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or adventure seeker, get ready to be amazed. Let's kick things off with the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra. The Taj Mahal is not just a monument, it's a timeless symbol of love and a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. Commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, this white marble mausoleum is an epitome of beauty and grace. As you approach the Taj Mahal, the sight of its glistening marble dome and intricate carvings takes your breath away. Spend ample time exploring the complex, including the beautiful gardens, reflecting pool, and the main mausoleum with its delicate marble inlay work depicting floral motifs and Quranic inscriptions. To truly appreciate its splendor, visit at different times of the day to witness how the changing light transforms the monument's appearance. Don't forget to capture the iconic view of the Taj Mahal at sunrise or sunset from across the Yamuna River at Mehtab Bagh, offering a serene backdrop for stunning photographs. Next up, we hit the colorful streets of Jaipur, Rajasthan. Known as the Pink City for its distinctive pink-hued buildings, Jaipur is a vibrant blend of history, culture, and architectural marvels. Start your exploration at the magnificent Amber Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you can admire its intricate architecture, beautiful courtyards, and panoramic views of the surrounding hills. Then, head to the City Palace, a majestic complex comprising courtyards, gardens, and museums showcasing royal artifacts and textiles. Don't miss the iconic Hawa Mahal, or Palace of Winds, with its intricate latticework facade designed to allow royal women to observe street festivals without being seen. Dive into Jaipur's rich cultural heritage at the local markets, such as Johari Bazaar and Bapu Bazaar, where you can shop for colorful textiles, jewelry, handicrafts, and traditional Rajasthani attire. Indulge in the city's culinary delights, including mouth-watering Rajasthani thali, dal bati churma, and gewar at local eateries and heritage restaurants. Jaipur is also famous for its vibrant festivals and events, including the Jaipur Literature Festival and the Tiji Festival, offering a glimpse into the city's lively traditions and celebrations. Moving on, we dive into the spiritual heart of India, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Varanasi, also known as Kashi or the City of Light, is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world and a sacred pilgrimage site for Hindus. Situated on the banks of the holy Ganges River, Varanasi is steeped in spirituality, tradition, and mysticism. Start your journey with a sunrise boat ride along the Ghats of the Ganges, where you can witness the ancient rituals of bathing, prayers, and cremations performed by pilgrims and sadhus. Explore the narrow lanes of the old city, known as the Labyrinth of Varanasi, where every corner reveals a hidden temple, bustling market, or vibrant street scene. Visit the iconic Kashi Vishwanath Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, and the nearby Sankat Mokan Hanuman Temple, believed to fulfill devotees' wishes. Experience the spiritual energy of the evening Ganga Aarti ceremony at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, where priests offer prayers to the river amidst chanting, music, and the glow of oil lamps. Varanasi is also renowned for its silk weaving industry, and you can witness artisans creating exquisite Banarasi saris using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Immerse yourself in Varanasi's culinary delights, from piping hot kachoris and samosas to delicious sweets like malayo and rabri, available at local eateries and sweet shops throughout the city. Now let's switch gears and head to the laid-back vibes of Goa. Goa is synonymous with sun, sand, and relaxation, making it a favorite destination for beach lovers and party enthusiasts alike. With its picturesque coastline stretching along the Arabian Sea, Goa offers an array of pristine beaches to explore. Whether you're seeking vibrant nightlife, water sports, or tranquil retreats, Goa has something for everyone. Head to popular beaches like Baga, Kalanguti, and Anjuna for lively atmosphere and water activities, or escape to quieter shores like Palolem and Agonda for a more laid-back experience. Apart from beaches, Goa's rich Portuguese heritage is evident in its colonial-era churches, such as the Basilica of Bom Jesus and Sea Cathedral, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Explore the vibrant markets of Mapusa and Anjuna, where you can shop for souvenirs, handicrafts, and spices. Goa's cuisine is a delightful fusion of Indian and Portuguese flavors, with dishes like vindaloo, zakuti, and bebinca being must-tries. Don't miss sampling fresh seafood at beachside shacks or indulging in a traditional Goan fish curry. Whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring historic sites, or partying until dawn, Goa promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Our next stop is the serene Kerala backwaters. Imagine cruising on a houseboat through intertwined lakes and lagoons at dusk. The lush greenery, unique aquatic life, and glimpses of rural life offer a soothing experience. Kerala's backwaters offer a tranquil escape into a world of serene landscapes, lush greenery, and traditional village life. Embark on a houseboat cruise through the intricate network of backwater channels, lakes, and lagoons, where you can witness the beauty of rural Kerala unfold before your eyes. As you glide past verdant paddy fields, coconut groves, and quaint villages, you'll encounter friendly locals going about their daily lives, fishing, farming, and washing clothes by the water's edge. The backwaters are also home to a variety of bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Along the way, indulge in delicious Keralan cuisine prepared by onboard chefs, featuring fresh seafood, coconut-based curries, and traditional snacks like banana fritters and tapioca chips. Accommodation options range from luxury houseboats with modern amenities to rustic homestays and eco-friendly resorts, offering a unique and immersive experience amidst nature. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or cultural immersion, Kerala's backwaters promise a rejuvenating escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Next, we're off to Leh Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir for some adventure. Ride through the world's highest motorable roads or trek on frozen rivers. The stark landscapes and Buddhist monasteries of Leh Ladakh are truly otherworldly. Leh Ladakh is a rugged and remote region nestled in the Himalayas, offering breathtaking landscapes and unique cultural experiences. Explore ancient monasteries perched on rocky cliffs such as Thiksi Monastery and Hemis Monastery, and trek through scenic valleys dotted with prayer flags and stupas. For dining, try Ladakhi cuisine, known for dishes like thukpa, noodle soup, and momos, dumplings, at local eateries or homestays. Accommodation options in Leh Ladakh include guest houses, homestays, and campsites, catering to various budgets. To get around, you can hire a taxi or join organized tours to visit popular attractions. Don't miss experiencing the Ladakhi festivals such as Hemis Festival and Losar to immerse yourself in the region's vibrant culture and traditions. For wildlife enthusiasts, Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan, is a dream. Catch a glimpse of the majestic Bengal tiger and other exotic species in their natural habitat. Early morning safaris offer the best wildlife viewing opportunities. Ranthambore National Park is a wildlife sanctuary known for its population of Bengal tigers and diverse flora and fauna. Embark on a safari adventure to spot these majestic big cats in their natural habitat, along with other wildlife species like leopards, deer, and birds. Explore the ancient Ranthambore Fort, nestled within the park, and admire its impressive architecture and panoramic views. For dining, enjoy Rajasthani cuisine at local restaurants or dabas, roadside eateries, near the park entrance. Accommodation options near Ranthambore include budget hotels, guest houses, and luxury resorts offering safari packages. To explore the park, you can join organized safaris conducted by registered operators. Don't miss visiting nearby attractions like the Trinetra Ganesh Temple and Surwal Lake for a complete experience of the region. Down south, Mysore, Karnataka awaits with its royal heritage and silk saris. Mysore is a city steeped in history and culture, known for its royal heritage, grand palaces, and vibrant markets. Explore the opulent Mysore Palace, illuminated by thousands of lights during the Dasara festival, and wander through the colorful Devaraja Market, known for its spices, silk saris, and fresh produce. For dining, indulge in Mysore's famous cuisine, including dosas, idlis, and Mysore pak at local eateries and traditional restaurants. Accommodation options in Mysore range from budget hotels to heritage properties, offering a comfortable stay for travelers. To get around, you can use local buses, auto rickshaws, or hire a taxi for sightseeing. Don't miss visiting Chamundi Hill to see the Chamundeshwari Temple and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the top. Heading to the east, we explore the hills of Darjeeling, West Bengal, wake up to a view of sunrise over Kanchenjunga, and sip the famed Darjeeling tea straight from the estates. The toy train ride through the mountains is an experience in itself. Darjeeling is a charming hill station nestled in the Himalayas, known for its scenic beauty, tea plantations, and colonial architecture. Enjoy panoramic views of the Himalayan peaks at sunrise from Tiger Hill, visit the picturesque Batasia Loop and Goom Monastery, and take a ride on the famous Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For dining, try Tibetan and Nepali cuisine, including momos, thukpa, and butter tea, at local eateries and cafes. Accommodation options in Darjeeling range from budget hotels and guest houses to heritage properties, offering cozy stays amidst the mountains. To get around, you can use shared taxis, hired cars, or walk around the town to explore its attractions. Don't miss visiting the Happy Valley Tea Estate to learn about tea production and sample fresh Darjeeling tea. Finally, we conclude our journey in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Known as the yoga capital of the world, it's a place to rejuvenate your body and soul on the banks of the Ganges. Indulge in meditation, yoga, or thrilling river rafting. Rishikesh is a spiritual town located on the banks of the Ganges River, known for its ashrams, yoga centers, and adventure activities. Attend the evening Ganga Aarti ceremony at Parmarth Nikatan Ashram. Take a dip in the holy waters of the Ganges and visit the iconic Beatles ashram, where the band members once stayed. For dining, enjoy vegetarian fare at ashram canteens and local restaurants, offering dishes like thali, pakoras, and lassi. Accommodation options in Rishikesh include ashrams, guest houses, and budget hotels, providing a peaceful retreat for travelers. To get around, you can walk or hire a cycle rickshaw to explore the town and its surrounding areas. Don't miss experiencing outdoor adventures like whitewater rafting, trekking to nearby waterfalls, and practicing yoga and meditation in serene surroundings. We've just scratched the surface of what India has to offer. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite destination, or if you have any more suggestions. India's diversity is its strength, and each place tells a unique story. Start planning your trip to explore these fantastic destinations in 2024. Subscribe for more content like this, and let's keep exploring together.